Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Pokeels. I am your host, Pokeels. In today's video, we are going to be opening up the newest set of Scarlet and Violet, Twilight Masquerade. I picked this up at my local game store. You know what, there's so many amazing arts in this set, I just can't wait to open it up, so let's get into it. Ever since I heard this set was coming out, I've actually been pretty excited. I was really hoping on a Gengar card though, because you know, Twilight Masquerade kind of sounded like a Halloween type set, so I'm pretty sure you understand where I was coming from. Look at the artworks right here, basically a free poster. Alright, let's open it up. But first, let's look at some of the cards. Let's get to the illustrations. Got some A-specs. Some beautiful cards right here. And here's the card that I'm trying to get. The Lana's Aid. Big fan of Sun and Moon. First game. My first game I ever played. So yeah, I'm going to be going for that card. Alright. Oh, we got the promo first off. Ogre Pun promo. Now this is a pretty cool promo. I'm just taking out the box. We got the basic energies. Here's a code card. We have the dividers. I pretty like the dividers. I never use them, but I like them. Look cool. And we got the sleeves. Now with the black on that side. And I really like the metallic look on it. Looks pretty cool. Then we have these. I have no idea what these do. Then we got the dice. I was thinking about using these for my deck actually, because they look really nice. Then we got the best part of the ETB, the packs. Let's look at the artwork. Pretty cool artwork on this set, to be honest. I love the Ogre Pun mask. Alright, let's get these opened up. Alright, we're going to open these up slowly. I'm pulling the cards out slowly so we can look at all the beautiful art in the new set. Code card. What energy is it going to be? I'm going to say steel. Water. And we got some pretty cool art in here. I also want to enjoy the art. We just got an A-spec energy. Sweet. I actually collect the A-specs. Okay. And a Frostlass for the hollow. So what kind of card are you guys going to be chasing after? My chase card is the Lunala and the Greninja. That does look pretty cool. Guess the energy grass fighting. Slugma. That's pretty cool artwork. Applin. Milotic. Emoga. And I think, can we get something in the last spot? An Infernape Hollow. Also, the Infernape card does look pretty cool too. But what cards are you going after in the set? Alright, let's say fire. Grass. Love that one. Got Shinx looking adorable. Revroom. Oh, we got Snorlax. Not the card I'm looking for, but is the character I'm looking for. And Greninja EX. Sweet. Good, cool art. Alright, let's sleeve it up. Beautiful art. Gonna put that right there. Keep an eye on all the arts we're getting. So far, I've been pretty lucky. I've been hearing that this set was really difficult to get hits out of. Kind of like Temporal Forces. So yeah, I wasn't expecting much. Dark Energy. Fire. It's always the last card that I chose. Litwick. Alright, get away from the water, man. Flabébé. Poochyena. I love how they're next to the tents. Forgot what those places are called. Oh, I'm loving the arts. They look awesome. Cramorant. Can we get anything? Not just a holo. Pretty cool looking holo, I'll say that for much. But man, I've been lucky so far. We're only like what? I want to say 4 packs in, 5 packs in. Code card. And it's going to be Water Energy. Lightning. Alright. Man, we're getting like new common cards every pack. Sandygast. Leafeon. I was actually surprised there was evolutions in this set. Rillaboom. Another Rillaboom. Frostlass Reverse. And a Walking Wake. I was holding that one in. Got 4 more packs. So yeah, I was right. I'm like 5 to 4 packs in. Code card. And the energy is going to be grass, water, Dreepy, beautiful art. He's in the rain. Phoebus, don't tell anybody you're ugly, my friend. Don't tell anybody. Don't accept it. Drafarig. Vulpix sleeping in the woods. Looks beautiful. Got the handheld fan. More Pecco, don't get on his bad side. Ooh. Leafeon Reverse. Alright, can we get anything? We got a mask. Ogerpun's EX mask. Heart Flame mask. Alright, we actually got an Ogerpun mask. Sweet. Alright, let's sleeve up this card. Alright, we got 3 hits out of this ETB. And to be honest, they're pretty cool hits. We only got 3 packs left. Can we get the Lunala? Here's the code card. Alright, I'm going to choose Dark Energy. Steel. I've not been right once. Man. Like seriously, the commons are really good. The arts for the commons. Then we got the Sushi. Surprised that kind ain't endangered. Poochyena Reverse. Oh! Forgot what these types of cards were called. I was seriously trying to memorize the names. We got one. Oh, that's a good one. He's in the trash dump. Nice. And Alakazam. And may I add, that is a really good Alakazam. Let's leave it up. To be honest, I am shocked we got this many hits. Like, I've always had the worst luck with ETBs. Like, I seriously got 151 ETB, only 2 hits. And they weren't even good hits. Alright, shoot, what would it be? Let's go fire. We haven't seen much of fire. Grass? Are you kidding me? Wow. I love that art. I love the cartoony arts. Grookey, just swinging in the jungle. Dripplin, why does he look so delicious? The lucky helmet. Alright, can we get anything? One more. Zapdos. Hollow. Seriously, the common cards look so cool. I know I've said this like multiple times, but they actually do look really good. Take some time, look at the commons, and you know, they're pretty cool too. Last chance to get the Lunala. Come on, give me the Lunala. It's a beautiful card. Alright, here's your code card. Now, if I get this energy, then the Lunala is in it. It is going to be grass. Fighting. Ah, dang it. Basically cursed myself. Come on, just give it to me anyways. I'm pretty sure it would have been in this slot. And the Walking Wake. But hey, I'm not going to complain with these polls. Not going to complain at all. I hope you all have a wonderful day. If you haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment down which card you're going to collect in this set. See you all later. I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.